welcome back to my channel. So literally I've started my makeup and I was ready to do a whole amazing look for you guys because I'm going to a wedding. I was ready to do like a whole amazing cut crease, and then I remembered I've got lashes. Now these are the individuals, and I hate, comment down below if you're the same as me, I hate putting on anything too heavy around my eyes when I've got lashes on, because you can never really get rid of the colour or the oil that's going to kind of build up, because if you do, you're probably going to pull them out. So it's really hard, and then you end up having this line on top of the lashes of the colour of what's this thing called, of the colour of what's it called again, colour of eyeshadow that you've used, and it's annoying. So yeah, it's not really much of a look, but you know, let's just do these brows. I'm trying to clean them up nicely, and then yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, scrap that guys. So you know what, I've decided to do my natural look, and it's actually slightly updated from what I've already got on my channel, because I've added a little step in since the sun has been out. I just want to have that extra glow, so I've started using the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Sorry, that should focus very soon. Yes, so the lighting's a bit much, but yeah, the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I've started using that on my skin, and I'm probably got too much in my hand right now because I'm doing the most, but I literally try to catch all the parts of my face that hit the light. So I'll put something like that on my cheeks, I'll catch my forehead, catch my chin, and very lightly catch right there in the middle of my nose, and then I use my baby finger to blend that in, because you don't want it to like spread out too much. Yeah, I would say be sure to blend this really well, because oh, this hair is doing my head in. Be sure to blend this really well so that you can actually so that it doesn't look like blotchy. Sometimes when I'm doing it, I do tend to like not blend it out properly, and people are like, what is that? You just want it to look like a really beautiful natural glow, and I like to smile when I do it. Yeah, to help myself see exactly where my face kind of hits the light more so. I also like to move my face around a bit, because like I can see like my face will hit the light right here, for example, but also if I'm turning my head, the light also hits there, but I don't want too much on my forehead because obviously I don't want to go overboard. But literally I thought I was going to do like a full face, but honestly I think I can get away with not so full face. So once you've blended that in, I would say you start like doing the patting motion, because you just really want to press that in, especially around the edges, so that there's no like very obvious line of demarcation. Yeah, so I would say just do that. Don't take it too far up, because we're going to still put foundation right here. And yeah, probably looks really nice on camera, but it actually needs to be a little bit blended out, so I'll do that off camera. Alright, so we're now going to get our foundation. You know guys, I like to use my Clinique anti-blemish solutions in amber. Like I've told you many times before, they have, I believe, sold out or discontinued this particular shade, but the range I think is still there. So I literally also want to take a little bit, nothing too excessive, just literally about that much. Focus, focus. Okay, I don't want to focus, but yeah. And I don't want to go too far up into my nearer my lower lid just yet. I kind of just want to focus it. And to be honest, I'm using two hands for you guys. I actually like using one hand, so I'm going to go back to using one hand. And slowly I'm etching that up into the corner without going too far onto my nose. and literally I'm going like that. So guys, I need to concentrate. And then what I like to do as well, get a little bit on there, is I like to pat some into the top of my lip as well, because it's slightly dark. So I'm basically done. I just want to pat it a little bit more with my finger off camera, and I'll get back to you guys. Hi guys, so here is the finished look. Yeah, I had to take my towel off, so I'm a little bit naked now. So I'm just gonna do my outro. I'm gonna do my outro with my dry ass hands. This is my updated natural makeup look. Obviously it's a bit slightly not so natural. I've got lashes on which do look like they could be mine. I get them done in a really good place, and I've got my eyebrows done, which I usually wouldn't have them done so perfectly. I've got a little bit of shine to get that summer glow going, and that's about it, and a bit of eyeshadow under the eyes and on top of the lip, and literally it looks more or less on camera how it looks in the mirror. So I'm very happy with that. I'm going to a wedding. Usually, like, you know me, I would have done, you know, a big grand makeup look, but it's not worth me doing that makeup look to mess up these eyelashes. I'm sorry. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. If you can give me a thumbs up. On your right you should see a subscribe button on this side, and then on your left you should see a thumbs up. So if you give me a thumbs up, that would be really amazing. I really appreciate it. It lets me know that you guys like my videos, you guys like my content, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.